Alright everybody, how's everybody doing tonight? I gotta go do a repair on my landlord's pressure washer on the pressure washer he owns. Somebody that helps him out like I do was using it, and they ended up sending me a picture of it. Said the cord broke, and they asked me if I could fix it. So I'm on my way to go do that now. I'm gonna bring you guys along for the journey. I will not. I'll wait till I get there because this, for privacy reasons, where I gotta go to. I don't know if I need to show the location of where I gotta go. But when I bring you guys, I'll bring you guys back when I get there, and we'll pull the pressure washer out, and we'll start doing the repair on it. So give me a couple of seconds, let me get there, and I'll bring you guys right back. Alright, so we're here. Already pulled the pressure washer out. This is what she told me. This is what she sent me in the picture, what happened, that the rope broke, which it's a thick rope on there. But I'll put a skinnier rope. I'll put a different rope on there, so it should be that hard to put on there. The rope is still intact, but we're just going to go ahead and replace it. Now, I was looking at the pictures, and it should be 3 bolts to take it off of there. That one there, and I think there's one underneath. Here somewhere. I don't see it. Yeah, there it is. There's 3. So I might have to take this wheel off to get to it. Sorry, that's an echo. I'm underneath the carport here doing this, so you might hear it echo in it. So I'll probably have to prop it up, get that bolt off that wheel to get that off of there to get to it. So here's the tools I got with me. What is all I should need. This is the rope that Roger gave me. He sent to me, so appreciate it, brother. I will use this for good use. So I don't know which one. I brought my 1/4 inch small impact. If not, I got my ratcheting cordless ratchet here to break it loose, and then it should be a 10 millimeter socket. But I brought my little socket rail with me, and I got my lighter with for this occasion. So let me go ahead and let's get everything set up, and we'll get this thing off here and see if we can fix this recoil for them, because they got to use this pressure washer tomorrow. Alright, I got you guys set up. I got to grab my little bottle jack out of my truck here so I can prop this up. Since the carburetor's on this side, here, it's got a little bit of weight to it. Get it up so far. There we go. That'll prop that up. Let's see if this will cooperate with us. Here. I'm gonna try my, I know you can use, I think it's a 13, but I got a half. It should work the same. Let's see if it's not on there that tight. If not, I gotta use my ratcheting wrench. It's not. Okay, good. So it's got a spring washer and another washer on it, and I'll put it the way it was because it was on that side. Let's see if we can get this wheel off. We can. Okay. So now we can get this access to these 3 bolts here. We're holding on said recoil. Here, so let's see. It should be. Okay, there's 1 bolt. There's 2. At least I'm on concrete, so I ain't gonna lose it in the grass. Alright, so here we go. There's the recoil. Alright. Let me go. I need to get that up. Let me go. I forgot to get. There's one more thing tool I gotta get. So let me stop you guys. I'll bring you guys back in a second. We'll go and get this thing set up. So let me go, I gotta grab one more tool I need. All right, I brought you guys back. I had to go get my side cutters because I'm gonna need it when I cut the rope. Unfortunately, let's see, you guys up here a little bit. You guys, okay. Let's see what we got going on. You guys get to come along with me on a field repair. Oh, it's tangled up. Okay, there we go. So we're gonna have to, okay. See, I would make it shorter, but let's just go ahead and, well, it's not enough rope to even try to turn it, so let's not even worry about that part. Okay. So I need to rewind it too. So let's see, the paws are going this way. So let's get it. We'll line it up this way so we can turn it. Let's give it about 6 turns. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, not 4. I probably don't need that much. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, I don't need that much because it's starting to. We'll do it right there. I start hearing the spring do its thing. Oh, I forgot to bring. Forgot to grab my screwdriver out. Let me hang on. Let me pause you guys. Not pause you guys. Give me 1 second. There we go. Let's put it. Trying to get it where it doesn't pull it back. Okay, there we go. Let's measure up some rope. Get you guys a little bit further out here. Get you guys set up different so you guys can see what I'm doing. There we go. Probably not gonna see my face as much. Alright, let's see. I'm not going to put too much rope on there because it looks like it needs a thicker rope, but I think this should help it for what they need it for. It's just a, actually that should be enough rope right there. Alright, let's see if I can do this. Okay, and then first try. Sweet. Okay, now we gotta fix this. Hi. Alright. Okay. That should work. Now we need to get this thing off of here. I thought that looked like one of those. Unfortunately. There we go. That rope's a little thicker anyway, so. Alright, let me put this through here. Yes. And put through there. I'm just going to put a temporary knot in there right now. I can always untie that if I need to. Let's get this rope be. All right. At least the hounds. Okay. I probably need might have a little bit too much rope on it. Yeah, I'll have to see. That's what I thought. I could maybe cut. I have some. Okay, so we just don't need too much on there. That rope I already had for something. I don't know what though. But I'll get it. That's why I was. Okay. All right. Probably cut that much off of it. Tie a knot in it. Okay, there we go. And now it'll work because it goes in there anyway, so it's going to hide it. So there we go. Perfect. All right. Let me get my phone here real quick. I'm gonna go show her that I fixed this real quick. So give me a second here. Let me do this. Let me go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and do this, and then we're gonna go install this back on here. So I'm gonna bring you guys back in a second. We'll put this back on here, and we should be good to go. All right, let's go put this back on here now. All right. Looks like it goes on here like so. We'll go ahead and get our bolts. Get them started. Lost my nuts. And that's some bolts. Okay, well, we'll do this. Normally I like starting them. Okay. Put them on there a little lightly. Remember, this is not the space shuttle. It's just a pressure washer. Okay, so the wheel just goes on here like so. Then you'll take a bolt. Get you guys down there. You guys can see me. There you go. You might see my leg. All right. It should be 13. Okay. I think we should be good to go. Okay. All right. So let's let me get it off. ESPN going off. Okay. Get that. You guys right there. All right. Put you guys a little bit further out so you guys can see me. Now you can't see nothing. It's a a bad shadow right here. Okay, right there. Then you guys can see me. All right, so let's just see what it. Okay. There we go. I don't want to start it because it's got no water in it, so. Okay, should be good to go. All right, we're not gonna start it, but we got it fixed for him, so. Okay. All right, so yeah, that was a quickie. Oh, see, now it's trying to push water out. See, I shouldn't, that's okay. All right, I think we're in this right here. I think we got it fixed now for him. Let me bring you guys back and we'll end this video off. All right, guys, that ends that video here on trying to repair your recoil on the Honda pressure washer. This one's the Honda gx390. That's the engine. What year is this? It is displacement 389 cms. We're looking at probably 2022, it looks like. So it's only 3 years old. Okay. Premium series. The PSI, I think it's like over 4,000 or something like that. It's a pretty stout pressure washer. But anyway, I let her know that I got it fixed and it's ready to go for her tomorrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and get off here. I'm gonna go back home. Fortunately, I gotta do a repair on my truck. The doors, the common issue on the back doors there, and finally gave up the ghost on at least the driver's side. So I'm gonna order that kit that I saw that one guy did a video on. I was watching, and I'm gonna order that off of the Jungle site and get it here, and I'll fix that repair on fixing my door on my side door of my truck. Still looking for an engine for it because the engine I'm having trouble with on there. I think I'm just gonna look for another used engine that's a little bit better shape and probably just get that one out of there and yank it out and with somebody's help to get it replaced. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get off here. You guys like this video? Give me a thumbs up there. Check me out on Instagram and TikTok as well. And before, like I said, I don't think I ever showed you guys the specs, but here I'll show you real quick before we close this off. See, Honda GX. There's your displacements and everything right there. That's what it is. Sorry about that. I should have said that earlier. But anyway, we got it fixed and it'll be ready to use tomorrow. So anyway, you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up there. Check me out on Instagram and TikTok as well. And if you guys are new to the channel, think about subscribing. Doesn't cost you a thing, helps me out, helps me bring some more videos out to you guys here. So like, share, subscribe, keep on turning those wrenches. See you guys in the next one. Y'all take care.